Hi friends, this is Cory from Cory Style, and today I have a new video for you. Before moving on and starting unboxing this big doll, I just want to remind you that I use this channel to practice my English pronunciation, okay? So today, as you can see, we are going to unbox this big doll. This is my first rainbow high doll. I ordered it on Amazon. I just got it very recently. This doll is 24 inches or 60 centimeters tall, so it's huge. This is one of the reasons why I got her. So I'm very excited to open her. As I was telling you, I got her from Amazon and it arrived with some issues, like in the corners especially. See, like a little bit like dents and things like that. See on the back. But besides that, I mean, it arrived in good condition. This is the back of the box. It's super pretty with a rainbow effect. This side just has like the contents of the box, and well, the front. Her name is Amaya. As you can see, she has pretty blue hair with some rainbow strands of hair. But let me bring her out of the box and we will open this together. Okay, so here we have her. Inside the box I had these instructions to use her belt as a necklace. So we got this paper in here. So now let's see how am I supposed to take her out of the box. Okay, my friends, that was a challenge. It took me quite a few minutes to finally take her out of the box. She had a lot of these, I don't know how these are called, like tags on her body. So I removed them all, but then she had like 3 of those tags in the back of the hair, and they were stuck like secure against the plastic. So that took me a while to figure out because I didn't want to end up cutting her hair or something like that. But as you can see here, she's finally free. The next contents in the box, I don't want to lose them, so I will probably leave them in here. But she comes with these 2 bracelets, a ring. These are all made with plastic, and some hair clips for her hair. Or mine, but I will use them on the doll. We also got this cute comb. I will use this one actually, but these ones I will just keep them in here. Each one of them has a little box that you can use to keep them, but I feel I will leave mine in here. As you can see in the box, she had a lot of tags everywhere. The ones in the hair were in here, so these were the difficult ones. So those are all the contents we get in the box. Okay, so now we have the doll in here. I still have some cleaning to do on her because I feel a lot of the tags are stuck on the back of her hair. As you can see, I have a few in here already. But I will do that after I finish recording this video. The face is super pretty. The eyes are, I can call them like crystal eyes, but I'm guessing they are made with plastic. She also have an extra dot next to the lip. I don't know if you can see it, so I still need to do some work on her. But in the future, I might probably give her a makeover, especially the makeup, mostly the makeup. So I'm pretty okay the way she is right now. She comes with cute earrings in here. She's very heavy. I'm having issues carrying her to show it to the camera. She has this jacket, like a jean jacket. It's super cute and well detailed. I'm gonna zoom a little bit. There, I feel this is better. Inside she has this rainbow high sweater. Okay, you can actually use the pockets in here. That's amazing. So the buttons, I need to show you the buttons. The buttons have like designs in them. Ooh, she has nice movement in the arm. As I was mentioning, this is my first rainbow high, so yeah, I'm amazed with the movement. It is not squeaky, very soft to move. She has this bracelet with RH in here, rainbow high. She has some cute long nails. I don't know if you can see them in here. The skirt is super pretty. Let me show you. Look at this fabric. All the details are secured with a tag. I don't know how to call those thingies, but with a tag. So I will leave them here for a bit since I will be displaying her. But in the future, when I need to use her, I will remove all of them. So she has 1, 2, 3 pieces in the top, the skirt. I don't think she has any underwear going on in here. No, it's just like painted. You can see a little bit there of the blue. So it's just like paint on the body, mimicking an underwear. I will make some for her. She also has this super pretty bag. Look at this. This is also secure. Oh no, I can take it out. Perfect. So this is the bag. The bag is super pretty. Okay, it has some embroidery in there. The bag is filled with cardboard and some paper to keep the shape. I will leave it like that. It closes with some velcro. It has real chain, not plastic chain, so this is super nice. And all the details are super pretty. There, I really like this. On her other hand, she has like a tiny ring. Another bracelet. So pretty. Okay, so moving on to the leg part, we have the stocks. They have some tape in the side to keep them in place. I'm sorry. This one also has some in here. They rotate nicely. Let's move the oh, perfect. They make like a click, so you can. This is very nice actually. They also rotate a little bit. The knees, I need to try the knee. I'm scared, so I will leave it like that and I will check it properly off camera. If I am able to pose the legs, I will upload a picture to my Instagram. So if you want to see that, you can follow me there as Cory Style. I will leave the links in the description below. But yeah, like we have the knees. I need to check on that. The shoes are actually very nice quality. It says rainbow. It's made out of plastic, but like it is very resistant, but if you touch it, it feels like soft. It's weird, but very nice. It has a big H and well, the base. These are very nice actually, and they fit perfectly, so you won't have any issues trying to put them on and off. On the back, the jacket she's wearing has like a hoodie. I don't think you will be able to fit her head into this, but it's just for the looks. The jacket has a lot of details. Look at this. The brand. I'm amazed by the quality of this all. I'm very amazed. You can see the other shirt also underneath. The necklace, that is the belt. I will leave it as a belt. I don't use necklaces very randomly. It has 2 pockets. You can use them. They are very tight, but you can use the pockets. The skirt, again the legs, and the back of the shoes. So I saw that, and now let's move on to the hair. The only thing I'm seeing, she has rooted hair. I'm sorry about my pronunciation. She has rooted hair, but she has a lot of spaces. See? A lot of spaces. I'm not mad on that because I am planning on making a wig for her, so for me this is okay, but I thought it will have more hair or better cover, because see, you just part the hair and you can see all the blank spaces in there, but it's okay. So this is the back of the hair. See, once you put it all in there, you won't notice. Her hair is a little bit messy right now because I just took her out of the box, but as you can see, we have some rainbow colors, mainly blue. She has some product on her hair, especially like here. I will need to wash her or comb it, maybe with this, because it feels weird to the touch. I don't like this touch, but it's the product. I mean, I can remove that, I can comb it, so we are perfectly fine with that. I really like this doll, especially like the eyes are super pretty. I don't know if they are easy to change, because I will really like in the future to make eyes for her and try to give her a new look, like a look that I can exchange from time to time without messing the doll. So I'm gonna try that, and I'm also gonna try to make a wig to put on top of her hair without the need to remove the hair, because I really don't want to. Yeah, I'm amazed by this doll. It has a lot of details, and as I keep seeing her, I see more and more details on her. I do not regret buying this doll. I know it can be on the expensive side. I cannot wait to try some other clothes on her, and I cannot wait to make more clothes. So well, my friend, this video was mostly my unboxing to keep my memory of this doll in this channel. I will probably in the future be making some clothes for her or a makeover, and of course I will be recording the process to show you how it's going. Thank you so much, my friends, for stopping by. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click the like button. That will help me a lot. Also, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. That will make me very happy and will motivate me to make more videos for this channel, okay? I hope you have a lovely day, my friends, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye bye!